Welcome everyone. Today, we are not just creating a textured abstract painting. We are creating a quiet space where art and meditation walk together. Every layer we place on this canvas is also a layer we discover within ourselves. There is no hurry. There is no competition. There is only this moment, this canvas, and the joy of creating. So, slow down, relax your mind, allow your hands to move naturally, and let this beautiful journey begin. Now, let us gather our canvas, palette knives, colors, texture medium, and all the materials we need. Arrange everything peacefully. When your workspace is calm, your mind also becomes calm. A peaceful artist creates peaceful art. We begin, layer by layer. No masterpiece appears in a single moment. It grows, one layer at a time. Life is exactly the same. Every experience, every challenge, every joyful moment becomes another beautiful layer. Some layers remain visible, some quietly stay hidden, yet every one of them makes the final creation more meaningful. So today, let us enjoy every layer, not just the final result. Now we begin our cutting techniques. These gentle cuts are not imperfections. They create movement, they create direction, they create character. Sometimes what we remove becomes more important than what we add. The empty spaces allow the textures to breathe, and suddenly the canvas begins to speak. This is the beauty of heavy textured abstract art. Bold, expressive, natural. Every ridge catches light differently. Every shadow creates another story. The artwork changes as the light changes. Just like life, the same journey can look completely different from another perspective. Now, watch the palette knife. It doesn't simply spread texture. It dances, sometimes softly, sometimes boldly, leaving behind beautiful footprints that can never be repeated. Every movement is unique. That is the magic of handmade art. No machine can recreate these moments, only your hands, your emotions, and your imagination. Now we complete the final cutting touches. Small refinements bring balance. Sometimes we add, sometimes we remove, sometimes we simply stop. Knowing when to stop is also an art, because beauty often lives in simplicity. Now comes one of the most important parts, waiting. Allow the texture to dry naturally. Nature never rushes. The texture slowly settles. The moisture disappears. The strength develops from within. Silence is also a creative process. Many beautiful things grow quietly without making any noise. While the texture dries, let me show you how I prepare my own texture medium. The materials are simple: white Portland cement, ultramarine synthetic white adhesive, and clean water. First, mix the white cement with water thoroughly. Adjust the viscosity according to your preference. Some artists like it thicker, some prefer it smoother. There is no right or wrong, only what works best for your style. Once the mixture becomes smooth, add the white adhesive. Mix everything patiently until you achieve a creamy, uniform consistency. Now, your homemade texture medium is ready. Simple, affordable, strong, and perfect for creating beautiful textured artworks. Now, let us return to our painting. We begin with Indian red, dark brown, and burnt umber. These earthy colors bring warmth, depth, and stability. Allow them to blend naturally. Do not force the colors. Sometimes they create the most beautiful harmony on their own. Now begins the color symphony. Every shade supports another. Every transition creates another emotion. The canvas slowly awakens. With every new color, the artwork discovers another part of its personality. Now, a soft white coat. Watch how beautifully the raised textures appear. White does not hide, it reveals. It allows every texture to shine gently. Next, we introduce black. Black creates mystery, depth, and contrast. Without darkness, light cannot fully express itself. Both are equally important. Again, a second layer of white. Every layer adds another conversation, another feeling, another story. Now, a gentle touch of gray, soft, balanced, peaceful. Gray beautifully connects light and shadow. Finally, we add beige, a warm highlight that brings the entire composition together. Now, everything feels connected, balanced, complete. And here it is, our final reveal. From a blank canvas to a textured journey, from simple materials to meaningful art. Every layer, every cut, every color, every quiet moment has become part of this beautiful creation. Thank you for spending these peaceful moments with me. If this painting inspired you, please like this video, share it with fellow artists, and subscribe for many more textured abstract art journeys. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, keep trusting your own hands, because every masterpiece begins with a single layer.